Looking for the best adventure on the Crystal Coast? Step aboard with H2O, Captain Eco Tour, private boat excursions, and experience the coast like never before. Cruise the Intracoastal Waterway. Search for wild horses on Shackleford Banks and the Rachel Carson Reserve. Spot playful dolphins, explore hidden shelling beaches, and enjoy unforgettable sunsets. Every trip is a private eco tour for up to 6 passengers, led by a U.S. Coast Guard 100-ton licensed master captain and authorized tour guide of the National Park Service and Rachel Carson Reserve. Perfect for families, couples, and visiting friends. Book your adventure today at h2ocaptain.com. That's h2ocaptain.com. H2O Captain, where the Crystal Coast comes alive. Welcome aboard.